Man, here it is, the 2027 Aprilia RS660 in this beautiful blue marlin. This is a 27 model. I'll put that sticker up there. Stay with me. We're fixing to ride it. Not a whole lot's changed, but I'll tell you what's amazing about this bike. Here we go. First thing we'll do is turn that key on. You'll see that gorgeous Aprilia TFT. And man, it is beautiful. It's actually got two race modes, a challenge mode, and I believe it's attack. And then you've got 3 or 4 street modes. I did do some other videos on these, and I'll put those up there. I'll put the thumbnails. I will put them at the end of the video if you want to watch those. They go a little bit more into it. Let's get this thing started up. It is in the time attack, and you can go to challenge mode also. We'll stay in the time attack. The wheelie control is off. You can change between 2 dashes, this one, and I'll put the other one up in a picture. But man, and I just rode the factory version of this, which is 14 grand. Let's thank Plano Kawasaki. If y'all would, leave a big thumbs up, or thank you Plano Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, MotoGP for letting me do these videos. And I don't know how the Italians get away with the exhaust noise that's louder, but they do. I don't know if you can really hear that, but you can definitely hear it. And this is a factory pipe. Let's try and go by these folks here. Boy, she looks like she's laying it down there. That one, she don't look happy. I don't know, finger pointing. But hey, I've done all these new 26, 27 Aprilias, and I'll put some thumbnails up. If you like this kind of first ride content, make sure you subscribe. If you get something from this video, please hit that hype button on a mobile. Okay, I'm going to quit advertising. I tell you what, I just rode the Tuono 660, the 27 version, and man, I'll tell you what, these are so comfortable. This does have the quickshifter up and down. I'll tell you what, 105 horsepower at 11.5. They did heat cycle this about 10 times before I got on it, but we're not going to run it to the absolute red line. But I'll tell you what, these are probably the most comfortable 600 you can buy. It is the only 600 that I know of, or 660cc. Actually, I believe it's 659, but it's a twin cylinder. It's the only 600cc that's got cruise factory. It's the only bike with a 2-year warranty. And I tell you what, these used to get some bad comments, the Aprilias, when they first started out. But man, their customer service, their reliability has just went to another level. They've got all the bugs worked out. Man, look at that Mercedes. Woo, that is gorgeous. Wow. You can definitely hear the intake on this thing. This bike weighs 403 pounds wet, so that's full of fuel, fuel of oil. And I'll tell you what, I'll tell you a little secret. The only difference between this and the factory edition, you get the 43 millimeter forks, which these are still adjustable. You can see the adjustment on them. And I'll tell you what, Aprilia's quickshifter has just went to another level. I'll tell you what, I could definitely do a 660 Aprilia. It's a real boss feeling, not quite as rough on the back, not near as rough actually as the Kawasaki. Even the Kawasaki's not bad, and I've done the video on that as well. Both of these are real stud feeling. What's so incredible about this bike, let me jump off of it and show you. Man, that neutral's super easy. You do get the Brembo brakes on the front, the calipers, but the kickstand down, let me jump off. I'm going to show you some things that maybe you didn't know. First of all, this comes in 3 colors. The factory edition only comes in 1 color, but you can get both colors of this. You do get the Brembo calipers here. Those are steel braided brake lines. Let me show you what's interesting about it, and I've read up on these. I've done many videos, and I'll show you something that I did not know. There's 2 layers of inner fender, and there's one and there's one for air. And I'll tell you something else, this is not the kind of bike you're going to cook on, so that's a big plus. It's not like the 1 liter stuff. All 1 liter bikes get hot. Don't let anybody lie to you. Let me show you that front spoiler. There's that front, and I'll put another picture up. If I end up getting one of these, I will do the same kind of treatment. And here's that picture. That really cool underslung wing, that MotoGP looking wing. You should notice it. And they've got fork wings that easy bolt-ons. But this company, and I'll put their name up in the video, they make all that stuff. It's not cheap, but it looks killer. Here's what I think is amazing. 2027 RS660 11,849. It didn't go up. It did not go up. It's a newer bike. The blinkers are up here. Let me turn those on for you. Some people don't like those. In the mirrors, I believe there's a hack you can do it, and it may be with the Brentune. I've got a discount Brentune link that you're welcome to use. It's always beneath my video in the details. That'll move it to the headlights, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But what a beautiful looking bike. And Aprilia's paint is gorgeous. I mean, it's flawless. It's deep, it's super clear. But look at this bike. 180, 55, 17 on the back. 120, 70, 17 on the front. Those are Rosso 4s. Some of the best rubber you can run on the street. Really like a street track tire. This does have the quick shifter up and down. But this red right here, I kind of hope one day that they'll do something with that red, make an entirely red bike out of that, with maybe the stickers being black or blue, or I just love that color. Let's get back on it. It does have the Brembo master cylinder. You do get the 320 millimeter front disc on it. And I've rode every one of these, and I go into a detailed explanation of a lot of stuff in the other videos, so you might want to check those out. I just want to ride. This thing's freaking gorgeous. I tell you what, the more I ride them, I'm almost thinking an RS660. I mean, you leave a comment. What do you think I'd like better? I know I love the Tuono 660. I just love it. And I can get a deal straight from Aprilia. They'll make me a hell of a deal through Plano Kawasaki Suzuki. Plano Kawasaki Suzuki is a huge high volume dealer. I don't know if I showed you that tail light. It's all LED, the blinkers, that super cool Batman looking tail light. Let's get back on it. I will tell you, I got a 30-inch inseam. It does feel tall. I'm not tippy-toeing, but almost. Of course, after you ride it, a month, you will get some sag in the suspension. You could always flip these up a little bit. There's a million ways to fix that. I'm sure there's a linkage for the back shock. And I tell you what, this is a tough play between this and the Tuono. I'll be honest with you, I probably would still pick the Tuono because I think I could ride it longer every time I rode it. But this is definitely not comfortable. I mean, it definitely is comfortable. I'm sorry, I got my words wrong. But man, sorry about the 2 videos this week. I've been extremely busy at the school district at my full-time job. We did parts inventory, And we've got a 370 school bus fleet. So there are a lot of parts, but to inventory. And then we've got 300 white fleet cars. So we counted everything this week. And I tell you what, it's a job. Man, I'm going to have to go to Whataburger, get me a Coke on the way home. I tell you what, I really appreciate all you subscribers that watch and comment every week. We are growing fast. We are fixing to cross, if we haven't already, the 20,000 subscriber milestone. And we've got some 27 Suzukis coming in. Suzuki will be here at Plano Suzuki. I think it's June 6th. You can look at their Facebook page. Mike Cannon is the general sales manager. You can always give him a call. Jared, any of the salesmen will be happy to help you. They move product. They're not married to any of this stuff. They got plenty of them. So they're here to sell you something, and they're great guys as well. Hey, thanks for riding with me. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.